everyone, it's Mr. Jeff Custodian here with my partner Muley.
And Cletus.
And Cletus here, yeah. My partner Paul. We've got a major issue today, and I'm gonna show you what's going on. Last night on flat roof. So we're in the nursing building here at the college, and we got water. We got to suck up out of the carpets. We got IT in here unhooking computers. We got water running out down the hall. We've had everything. You got it all running in here. They're moving furniture out of the companies right here. Yeah. Paul, don't mash your fingers.
I'm not. Nope.
So anyway, we're fixing to start to get extracting water with the old squeegee bag. What do you think, Muley?
It's a wet mess.
17 years ago, when my son was born, I was on leave, and they had a sprinkler system bust in the school system that had frozen up in the attic and busted and flooded a whole classroom, and a whole seating collapsed. I looked out on that one. Didn't have to help clean that one up, but I've had my share of issues over the year cleaning up water. We've had a few here at the college since we've been here as well, but hadn't got any of those videos, but I just thought I want to share with you today. And if you've had any of these great experiences where things have happened, let me know in the comments what you got going on, what you've had happen in your career as far as, oh no, we got a water leak. Y'all have a great day.